in Meridian Hill Park, and the mood here today is actually pretty celebratory. Right here, I'm about to play a game of inequality pong. Ooh. Try to make it in the wine glass. I think that will make me into the 1%. There are also so many other things here going on today. A series of workshops and teach-ins. They're really focusing on the labor movement itself, its history, as well as workers' rights today. Now, there are a lot of themes that we're hearing that are really echoed in some of the messages that we've heard time and time again in our coverage of Occupy Wall Street. Things like the 1% versus the 99%, inequality, a broken system. Some here even going as far to say that capitalism needs to be done away with.
I believe that capitalism is all about money and exploitation and profit making, and humanity has reached to the level that we need to open our future by ending capitalism.
For us to not celebrate it here where the historical events happened that brought about an International Workers' Day is really sad.
Now, some of the people I spoke to say today is simply about coming back together. Winter is now over, and a lot of people were very active in the movement, active in pointing out things they really saw wrong with this country, things that they hope to fix. They say the sun is out, and now it's time to get back to work.
We're working more on campaigns, we're building more relationships with local organizers and community members, and this is kind of a day to celebrate what we've done so far and what we have to do in the future.
And what would May Day be without a maypole? Well, they've got one of those here, too. Now, looking around here at the park, a little more than 100 people came out. It's the smallest turnout compared to what we saw in cities like New York, Chicago, and especially in cities that we saw in other countries around the world where tens of thousands of people came out to the streets for this message, to celebrate workers' rights and to try to improve them. Now, those who gathered here today say they will go from here and they'll march all the way to the White House, and they'll repeat that message for change. In Meridian Hill Park, I'm Christine Frizzell, RT.